Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today I have a really exciting video for you. Today I'm going to walk through the new long position that I have entered into. We're going to look at the entry, the targets that I have for that trade as well, and we will also take a look at how we can trade this extremely boring price action after this huge move that we've had towards the upside. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure that you watch this video up until the end, because I will be giving you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. Jumping into the charts then, we can see that Bitcoin is currently ranging. We are currently on the 30-minute time frame, and as you can see here, price has a clearly identifiable range high and a clearly identifiable range low, and that range low was actually taken out, as you can see right here, and we formed a failed auction of this range low. And after forming this failed auction of the range low, I told my team on the Visionary Discord that I was entering into a long position. So taking a look at the Visionary Discord, we can see long setup for me, failed auction of range low. So here's the setup that I gave the team on the Visionary Discord, and yeah, you can very clearly see this was the trade that I was looking at entering. I went on to say as well that we were looking extremely bullish on the CVD and the open interest locally. So yeah, this was strengthening my confidence in this new long position that we had entered into. So we can very clearly see here that as price is coming down into the low of the range, we can see that longs are opening, and a pretty significant amount of longs are opening as well. So this gave me that confidence, or as I should say, even more confidence in the new long position that we had just entered into. And as you can see, after I updated my team with that new evidence that I had found, we can see that we did see a pretty significant move towards the upside in terms of this trade. Of course, not in the grand scheme of things, but in terms of this trade, we saw a big move towards the upside all the way up to our TP1, which was at the mid-range of this parallel channel. It is always a good idea to take a TP1 at the mid-range of a parallel channel, because as you can very clearly see here, we did get a pretty harsh rejection off of this level. Again, we saw another rise towards the upside, tapping the mid-range of the parallel channel, and we are right now using this as resistance once again. But yeah, if we come and have a look at the Visionary Discord, you can very clearly see here, I told the team TP1 on the new long. So here you can see that we were tapping the mid-range of that parallel channel, as you can see right there, and we took a TP1 at over 37%. So this has been a extremely profitable trade for myself and the team here at Bit Trading, and of course we moved the stop loss to entry, making this a completely risk-free trade. So this was a very profitable trade for us yesterday, as we can see here, and I am currently still holding this long position open because I do have a final target at $52,858 all the way up here at the range high, and I do believe that we could see this target being tapped, where from there we could actually be looking for a new possible trade. If we're coming up into the new range high, okay, so if we come up into the new range high and we actually look bearish, then what can we be looking for? Well, we can be looking for a short position, okay, to counter trade this long position that we are in, obviously targeting the mid-range of the parallel channel as the TP1, and then the TP2 will be at the low of the range, obviously entering into the trade somewhere up here. So this could be that next trade that we are looking for. And, you know, this just sort of highlights trading a range until that range breaks. This is one of my favorite things to do. Trade a range, okay? I love to trade a range. They are very simple to trade, and they have very simple invalidations as well. So trading ranges is one of my favorite things to do, and I will typically trade a range up until that range finally breaks, either towards the upside or towards the downside. So right now we have traded the range low and we've entered into the long, and we are targeting that range high at $52,858. So that is my next target for Bitcoin. I am targeting $52,858, but we do have to break above a key level, which of course is that mid-range of the parallel channel, which is coming in close confluence with the POC of the fixed range of this entire parallel channel right here. So we do have some strong resistance coming in right here, which of course, as you can see, Bitcoin has had 2 rejections off of this level as of right now. If we can get above this level, then of course I am looking for $52,858. That is the target that I have. But if we do get rejected once again from this level, then we could see the price actually pull back down to the previous range low, possibly even the newly formed range low, where from there we could actually be looking for a potential new long position if we do see price looking bullish at that level, where we can once again target the mid-range and possibly even the range high as well. So those are the 2 trades that I am interested in as of right now. We have the short from the range high. Obviously, that is the target that I have for the long position that I'm currently in right now. And then, of course, if this long position does get stopped out at entry, because remember, we moved the stop loss to entry, then I would be looking for a possible long from the newly formed range low if we are looking bullish at that level. Again, okay, it's not, like I always say, it's not set in stone that these levels are going to be levels that I trade. Of course, I want to see what the confirmation is looking like, the confluence is looking like, and the reaction is looking like at either one of these levels. If we're not looking bullish at this low down here, then I am going to be targeting lower prices, and vice versa. If we're not looking bearish at the range high up here, I'm going to be targeting higher prices, and I'm going to continue to ride this long position higher. So yeah, those are the current trades that I am looking for at this moment in time. And yeah, I just sort of want to go over the previous range that we were trading, because it can really help us actually trade this new range that we are in as of right now. So if we just get rid of this 30-minute chart right here, and we come over to the 8-hour chart, and let's get up my 8-hour analysis, we can see the exact same scenario happened right here. What happened? We had the range high, we had the range low, and yeah, we actually shorted this range high all the way up here. So if we come and pull this short position up here, we actually shorted this range high. This was a very profitable trade that I gave the team, of course, over on the Visionary Discord. If you want access to this Visionary Discord, click the first link in the description or the pinned comment. It will take you over to this page right here, where you can gain access to that Visionary Discord, and of course the education we have for you there as well. So make sure you take full advantage of that. But I did actually give this short position to the team on the Visionary Discord. As you can see here, short setup for me, failed auction formed with bearish CVD and bearish open interest. On this short position alone, this gave us over 391% in a profit. So this was an extremely profitable trade for us here at Bit Trading. And then after that, what did we do? We actually entered into a hedged long position at the range low. So we shorted the range high down to the range low, then we longed the range low all the way up to the range high. And as you can see, this trade yielded us some really nice profits. As you can see, taking another TP on the long at 597%. So this has been an extremely profitable trade for the team here at Bit Trading, and for myself, of course, as well, because I am trading every single one of these trades. So yeah, you have the exact same scenario that we are seeing in this area right here, but just on a larger scale. We're seeing what we're seeing on the 30-minute chart down here, okay, or up here, as I should say. We're seeing on this 8-hour chart right here, okay. So you can see that all of this can be transferred from either, you know, different time frames or even different indexes as well. We are trading the exact same setups, and we're getting the exact same results. Consistent profit, okay, extraction from these markets. So yeah, like I said, if you want access to this Visionary Discord where I give all of my trades away, click the first link in the description or the pinned comment. It will take you over to this page here where you can gain access to that. Make sure you yeah, gain access to this Visionary Discord, because it is an extremely profitable Discord as well. So yeah, this is my thesis on the market as of right now. I am looking for higher prices if we can break above the mid-range and the POC, okay, of this range that we are in. If we can break above this, then I am targeting 52,858. If we can't, then I am targeting the new low of the range where we could possibly look for a long, okay, and vice versa. If we're coming up to the range high, we can look for a nice short position. So yeah, that is my plan for Bitcoin as of right now. I am currently long and chill on the price of Bitcoin. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Or for the team here at BitTrading, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the daily market updates or on the Visionary Discord as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and yeah, that's me signing off. So see you later. Goodbye.